Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I am so happy you joined me today. We're going to make fabric snippets for our junk journal. But first, a shout out to Princess Jewel, Rockstar, Patty, Christy B65, Joyce, Sandra, and Lori. I appreciate each and every one of you. So, what you'll want to do is get yourself a little piece of cardstock and take your pinky shears or some type of, little cutters that will give you some type of shape on the end. It just makes it for more interesting. I took my milled lavender and I just inked around the edge and even over the top. So just do that real quick, just like this. There we go. Now, what I'd like to do next is take a little piece of fabric. Isn't this cute fabric? It's got words on it. I found that at Joann's. I thought that was adorable. And you'll want to cut the piece of fabric, whoops, wrong side, to fit your card, or some close to fitting your card. It doesn't have to be exact. So the card shape, you can cut these any size you want. Here, let me show you some that I made. This one's a little thinner. Isn't that beautiful? And then there's this one. So cute. Oh, look how yummy that one is. They're so much fun to make, and you can use up your scraps. So the back, I found putting it to be a card or cardstock helps you to attach it to your book page or your piece of ephemera or whatever you want to glue it to. It really helps. So it's just easier. It's just easier, I find, that way with a little piece of cardstock behind it. So let's go ahead and build this. I've got all my little pieces here. And let's just find some things that will work. Let's start with a piece of lace like this. We're just building one on top of the other. This heavier piece is nice. And this one I like. I'm going to put this one on top of this color to kind of soften it just a tad. Then just a little tiny piece of a cream. I think that's beautiful. I'm actually thinking I want to put this pink, or possibly the whole thing, over to the side a little bit. Let's see. Yes, I like it over to the side. I'm going to sew it quickly on my machine, just back and forth right here. And it's pretty easy to do because you have the backing of the cardstock. So I'll be right back and show you what that looks like. All right, look how adorable that's going to be. Now, I think I'd like to top it off with one of these fabric flowers. I'm not sure, or I have a pretty little bow here. It's a white bow. Kind of like the dimensions of this. I also have this little piece that's really cute. Let's go ahead and get these glued on with my fabric tack. Instead of this, I might do a get this on here. First things first. I think I'm going to put a little bit of glue right here and a little bit of glue right in the middle of my flower, because I would like to get some of my flat backed pearls. I would like to get a couple out, and I'm going to get my pin so I can easily pick it up after I put it in some glue. Oh, that's got two there. I don't need two, I just need one. Get that right on there. I'm going to put that right in the middle, just like that. Whoopsie. This down in there. Oh my goodness, you guys. Didn't it turn out beautiful? You guys, get your scraps. Get your little pieces of flat-backed pearls and give it a go. I'd love to see you in my next video, you guys. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye.